Fresh filtered water. Samsung water filters reduce contaminants, giving your family fresh-tasting water. Use with your Samsung French door or side-by-side refrigerator. Reduces contaminants. Samsung's ultra-high-grade carbon block reduces 99% of potentially harmful contaminants. Genuine Samsung filters. Samsung filters are designed to work with your refrigerator to avoid the risk of flooding while giving you clean, filtered water. Use our Authentication Tag to make sure your filter is a genuine Samsung filter. Long-lasting use. Samsung refrigerator water filters offer long-lasting use and easy installation. It is recommended to replace your water filter every 6 months. Avoid water damage. Only Samsung filters are guaranteed to perform correctly with your refrigerator, avoiding the risk of water damage to your fridge and your home. Top review from United States. 100% authentic genuine Samsung refrigerator water filters. Let me extend an olive branch to those who can't seem to purchase the correct filter. The filter that's currently in your fridge, right? Remove it and read its model number. Foolproof, yeah? Anyway. All of them are authentic, and so for all the people saying it isn't. You're full of it. Okay, now for the review. Best tasting water out of a refrigerator I have ever had in my life's entirety thus far. I never thought fridge water could taste this good. It's not pure or Brita taste, but it definitely beats anything else I've had. I'd like to think all fridge manufacturers have stepped up their filter game to go along with their modern refrigerators.